Okay, grab a piece of paper, something to write with, or if you're using a whiteboard, that's fine. I'm trusting that you are going to do the spelling test without any lists nearby. Okay, number 1 is geology. The geology student proceeded to look for collectible rocks. Geology. Number 2, the archaic. The History Museum has archaic tools from centuries ago. Archaic, old tools. Number 3 is erupt. The wood is so dry it will quickly erupt into flames. Erupt. Number 4, archaeology. I would like to study archaeology to learn how ancient people lived. Archaeology. If I'm going too fast, just feel free to pause. Keep going. Number 5, geography. My geography book has maps that show continents and oceans. Geography. Six, eruption. Ash and lava can spill out of a volcano during an eruption. Eruption. Number 7, disrupted. Loud noises disrupted my sleep. Disrupted. Number 8, interrupt. It's impolite to interrupt a speaker. Interrupt. Okay, 3 bonus words. Number 9, geometric. There are lots of geometric shapes in the world, in drawings, in buildings. Geometric. Number 10, number 10, corrupt. The government was corrupt and lost the trust of their people. Corrupt. And number 54, rupture. The scientists have been waiting for the volcano to rupture for decades. Rupture. Okay, go back if you need anything repeated. You'll have to go back in the video and find it. Take a picture of your spelling list. If you want to go ahead and check it, that's fine. Put your score on there. Take a picture, send it to me in Seesaw or email. Thank you.